Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust flash settings on a Nikon camera. So today we have a Nikon D300 as you can see, but this is usually going to work on every Nikon camera that you can find. First of all, we need to turn on the camera, obviously, and we need to find this little button right here that is going to have a flash image on it. On a D300 we can find it below the flash release button, and by holding it, as you can see right now, maybe I will show you this on a bigger screen. As you can see, by holding this button, the menu is going to pop out, and by using the command dial button scroll, we can change the flash settings. And also, if we hold this button and use the front scroll, we can adjust the light also. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please subscribe and hit the like. Bye.